Hi. Today we are going to convert one HashMap to another HashMap with different genre. Now we start. We need to we have first string and string map, new HashMap, and we can add four elements: A, B, C, and D. Now its value is in digit but in data type is string. I print out this map in SOP. Now we can see that four elements are available in map, but data type is same in string. Now I want to transform this map key and value to another map, but we have only parse convert string as a key and integer is a value. Now we can take map another string and its value in integer. Now map entry set and stream collector using collect method. You can collect to map. Here pass without key. First value consider is a key and second is a value. Second value is string in a first map. For that we can convert in a integer. Now we can print out in a SOP. After transformation, I print out in a SOP transform map. Now we can see that first map value elements is successfully transformed to result. So this way we can convert any data type to another map or any collection via stream API.